So if you want to get blue check mark like this on your Facebook profile, so follow this video. By the end of this video, I will show you how to get this verified on your Facebook account. So in this video, guys, I will show you step by step on how to get verified on Facebook with a blue check mark. So the steps are so simple to follow. So first of all, after you open up your phone like this, now go and open up your Facebook account. So I'll go ahead and open my Facebook. After you open Facebook like this, now go to your profile. After you go to your profile, now scroll all the way to down. So if you scroll to down, as you can see now in this option, now tap on this one, verified meta. So from this option, now it will load like this. Now it says join the millions of meta verified profile. Now scroll to down and tap on this unlock benefits. So from this option, now go ahead and choose your Facebook account. So tap on this Facebook, sign up with this profile. So from this option, now here is my account, and as you can see now, here is what you get with your subscription: a verified badge, increased account protection, enhanced support, upgrade profile picture, unique sticker. As you can see now, unique stickers. So now tap on this continue button. So from this option now it will load. Tap on this, as you can see now, this one, add card, add credit card. So from this option now it will charge you. As you can see now, here is what you will going to pay every month. So according to my currency, I will going to pay 4,500 according to my currency. So you will be able to see the amount that you are going to pay using your currency in this option. So from this option now, go ahead and type in your credit card, as you can see, your card number and your card information. After you please type in your card information in this option now, tap on this save button. From there it will allow you to get verified on Facebook with blue check mark on your Facebook profile. That's it, guys, on how to get verified with a blue check mark on Facebook profile. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.